In this video, we will present an illustrative case of neuroendoscopy for ETV. A right-handed male presented with 3 months of progressive memory loss, apathy, and gait impairment. MRI demonstrated non-communicating hydrocephalus due to tectal glioma with resulting aqueductal stenosis. A right frontal trajectory was planned towards the floor of the third ventricle through the foramen of Monro. A semilunar incision was fashioned and the scalp reflected posteriorly. The intraventricular anatomy is visualized, with clear delineation of the thalamostriate vein, anterior septal vein, fornix, and choroid plexus. The endoscope is advanced into the third ventricle, and the tubercinarium, mammillary bodies, and infundibular recess are identified. The basilar artery is seen here, pulsating in the prepontine cistern below the floor of the third ventricle. The closed, blunt end of an endoscopic grasping instrument is used to puncture the floor of the third ventricle away from the basilar artery. A Fogarty balloon is then inserted and inflated in order to widen the opening to the prepontine cistern. Here, the Fogarty balloon is again gently inflated to widen the hole in the floor of the third ventricle. Note the slow and deliberate pace of dilation. The Fogarty balloon is slowly deflated and carefully removed. Pulsatile flow across the opening is clearly visualized. The endoscope is advanced to visualize key structures within the prepontine cistern, including the basilar artery and its perforators. The endoscope is then carefully removed, ensuring meticulous hemostasis and inspecting the fornix and other vital structures on the way out. Postoperative T2 space MRI shows a flow void through the floor of the third ventricle, confirming patency of the ETV.